Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. This lesson I'm going to show you how you can create a Gmail account even if you are a complete beginner or you are completely new to it. Now the first step you have to do is that just go on and open your browser. I want to know you can do this also mobile phone, but I'm going to be using a laptop. So I'm on my browser and I'm going to open the private window because I don't want it to actually interfere with my existing work. You don't have to do this, but let's go. So the first thing you have to do is that you search for gmail.google.com, then you allow it to of course load. This is gmail.google.com. We are in it already, and then we want to of course sign up for a new Gmail account. Now we click on create account, and then we have this for my personal use, my child, and my work or business. I'm going to go with for personal use. This option is actually for companies that want to sign up for Google Workspace. So I'm going to go with my personal use, and then we have this. So just simply have to provide these details, then click on next. Then you simply provide the date of birth. Then we click on next. You simply fill the. Then we have these options from Google. You can create your own, or you can select any of these options that we have. So let me try and create my own. Alright, we got it accepted. So you would select the password, click on next. So you simply scan this QR code with your phone. Alright, we are done with the verification, and then we can simply add a recovery email. This is optional. We can skip this. I'm going to skip this, and then we have our new Gmail account ready. We can say click on next, and then you simply scroll to the end, and then you accept the terms and every other stuff as the case may be. So I click on agree, and then we have our new Gmail account ready. We have all of this that we can work with. We can create, we can compose a new mail. We have our inbox and all that stuff that we can work with. To compose your first mail, you can simply click on compose, put destination email, add the subject, and then add the body, and then you can send. And then in the subsequent video, I'm going to create a brand new YouTube channel with this Gmail that I've just created. Please follow along. If you have learned anything in this lesson, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you.